Namaskar, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you all to this Brahmin Satya channel. Uh, Predominantly, I have been putting all my views mostly in Marathi, in Hindi too, and English also. But this English channel, I have not been working more on this. But now I am taking up this matter and I am taking up this issue of Brahmins for all India Brahmins or international Brahmins. International Brahmins should support all the Indian Brahmins. Today, we are around 10 crore Brahmins across the world. And these 10 crore Brahmins, if they help each other, so this, if they help each other, we would be a superpower. We would overtake the Jews, the Parsis, and everybody. If every Brahmin does business or helps, I will not say help, but if it does business and supports every Brahmin, then definitely we can become a superpower. Today we have been neglected in India. Politically, we have been neglected in India, and due to being neglected and due to the government policies, we are not able to get good education even after having merit. So it is a need of the hour for doing this. Now, what we plan to do for Brahmins and what we expect from you Brahmins, what we plan to do is basically to make two things stronger for Brahmins. One is financially we would like to make the Brahmins strong, and second is that we want which is our rather trait. That is our trait. And second is the education. For education, today we cannot, even with merit, we cannot get admissions in the government colleges. So we are forming an education institute called Brahma Satyam Vidyapit. Okay, under this Brahma Satya Vidyapit, we plan to open up universities across India where we will where Brahmins will be given priority for education. So all those Brahmins who want to learn over there will be given priority, will be given admission on merit, and those who cannot afford to pay those fees also, in that case we will even give them loans. Okay, and to start this we require good strong financial support. And financial support also, I'm not asking my Brahmin friends over here to support us by giving donations. No, we don't want donations. You support us by giving us loans. You support us by giving us soft loans. We want loans at the rate of 6%, whatever you can afford, and repayable in another 15 years. Okay, we will build up massive campuses and big institutions which will give run for money to even big institutions abroad. I would not name the abroad universities, but I would definitely say that whatever education we will give would be the best, would be at least at par with those foreign institutes or better than that, because talent is not our issue. We have talent, so this talent, we will pour this talent over here, get our people educated. Once they are educated, they will get jobs across the world, and when they get jobs across the world, we will be strong enough to fight any damn thing. And it is the need of the hour that we come together, we support each other. I will not say help, I will refrain from using this word help. We would support each other, and support each other economically, but that too not by donations, by soft loans. So if anybody of you, not anybody of you, I want all of you to help us, and all of you come together, especially those who are staying abroad. They should come to us, no, they should support us financially. We will repay their and ensure that all the whole community, the whole Indian community, whole Indian Brahmin community is an Indian community, come up. We have some of our Brahmins in Nepal, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh also. Okay, we want to help them also. They are suppressed, Today the Brahmin community is highly suppressed, highly demotivated. We want to motivate them. We will motivate them. For motivating, we want your support in the form of motivation. We want your support in kind. We want your support in financially. We want your support for pushing us. So all those people who are in big corporates, who are in government institutions, who are anywhere, they should support the community. The community will definitely come up, and once this community comes up, once our community comes up, the whole India will come up, because our what is our trait? Our trait is intelligence, and tyag is our trait. So we will definitely also bring others up, but for bringing others up, we need to come up. So support Brahmin community. I am there. I would request you to share this video with maximum people, and support the Brahmin community. Thank you very much.